Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel itserver. In today's video, we're diving into the top 100 computer-related full forms that every tech lover, student, or professional should know. Whether you're prepping for an exam, working on a project, or just expanding your tech vocabulary, these full forms will help you better understand the tools and terms you encounter daily. From basic acronyms like CPU and RAM, to more advanced ones like RAID and SATA, we've got you covered. Stick around to the end, and you'll have a much stronger grip on these essential terms. Let's get started.
AI, Artificial Intelligence. API, Application Programming Interface. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. DNS, Domain Name System. DOS, Disk Operating System. DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. GUI, a Graphical User Interface. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. IC, Integrated Circuit. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. I/O, Input, Output. IP, Internet Protocol. IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6. ISP, Internet Service Provider. IT, Information Technology. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. LAN, Local Area Network. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light-Emitting Diode. MAC, Media Access Control. MIME, Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. ML, Machine Learning. NIC, Network Interface Card. NOS, Network Operating System. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OS, Operating System. PDF, Portable Document Format. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. POP3, Post Office Protocol 3. PPP, Point-to-Point Protocol. PSU, Power Supply Unit. RAID, Redundant Array of Independent Disks. RAM, Random Access Memory. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. RGB, Red Green Blue. ROM, Read-Only Memory. RSS, Really Simple Syndication. RTOS, Real-Time Operating System. SAN, Storage Area Network. SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. SDK, Software Development Kit. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SQL, Structured Query Language. SSD, Solid State Drive. SSH, Secure Shell. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. USB, Universal Serial Bus. VGA, Video Graphics Array. VPN, Virtual Private Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. WWW, World Wide Web. XML, Extensible Markup Language. XSS, Cross-Site Scripting. DOS, Disk Operating System. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. TLS, Transport Layer Security. DNS, Domain Name System. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications. CDN, Content Delivery Network. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. PaaS, Platform as a Service. SaaS, Software as a Service. CLI, Command Line Interface. GUI, a Graphical User Interface. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. BSOD, Blue Screen of Death. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. NAT, Network Address Translation. SCSI, Small Computer System Interface. BIOS, Basic Input, Output System. CAD, Computer-Aided Design. CAM, Computer-Aided Manufacturing. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. DPI, Dots per Inch. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. VR, Virtual Reality. AR, augmented reality. RPA, robotic process automation. JSON, JavaScript object notation. YAML, YAML ain't markup language. ZIP, zone improvement plan for file compression.
That wraps up our list of the top 100 computer-related full forms. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.